We're here today to look at your multiplication flashcards that came in your box last week. You should have a set of cards, and these are called math flips, and no, they don't come with the answers, and I'll explain why in this video. This set of cards for the next 2 weeks is about doubling 4s, 6s, and 8s. Every 2 weeks, we will give you a new set of cards to practice and gain fluency with. These are helpful even if you know your math facts. We're going to look at each side of the flashcard, and side A is how many, how do you know? And then you're going to flip to side B, and how many now, and how do you know? And then we're going to look at some questions together. Now you're going to get a set of flashcards that all have 2 sides, and you're going to analyze each of those sides. Here's one of the cards in your pack. There's no need to find the card right now, but let's go through a couple together. This would be side A. How many are here? How do you know there's that many? You might have counted by ones. That is the least efficient strategy. You might see that 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, you might see that. You might, by 5th grade, know that double 7 is 14. So 7 times 2 is 14. Flip the card over, and now how many are there? So see, you have 14, and you doubled it. So yes, you can count by ones, but that's not efficient. Yes, you could count by 7s. That's called skip counting. That works, but doubling is the most efficient strategy you could use. If you know 7 times 2, then you know that 7 times 4 is double 14, which is 28. Let's look at a few more. How many are here? Yes, you have 4 groups of 9, so 4 times 9 is 36. Good. 9 times 4 is 36. 9, 18, 27, 36. This is a fact you might have the 9's facts for, and you hold up the 4th finger and you know that it's 36. That might be a fact that you remember. Let's turn it to the back and see this fact doubled. So we know 9 times 4 is 36, and double that, 9 times 8 is 72. Very good, guys. Let's look at another. As you notice, it's the same fact we just looked at, but in an array. We have 9 times 4, 9 groups of 4 here, is 36. Good. You can count by 4s. You can count by 9s. You could split it in half and say 18 plus 18. We know 9 times 4 is 36. Now we flip it on the back to side B, and we see that it's doubled. So we have 36 plus 36, which is 72. 9 times 8 is 72. This time we see it in a 10 frame with our dots. We should know right away that this is 5 times 4, and 5 times 4 is 20. Very good. Flip it over on B side, and we doubled it, and now we have 20 and 20, which is 40. So we have 5 times 8 is 40. Very good job, guys. That's working on doubling halving this week. Please go through all of your cards many times this week and increase that fluency. That multiplication facts are so important to have fluent by the end of 5th grade. You don't want to be the one counting by ones in middle school next year to solve multiplication facts. So take this time in 5th grade, study your facts. I know many of you already know your facts, but I still encourage you to get out your cards, and you can still increase your fluency. Remember that fluency of multiplication facts is about being flexible, so being able to answer a problem multiple different ways. That's why these cards all look different in their pictures. It's being efficient. So we're not counting by ones. We're not even really skip counting, but we're doubling when we can. That's being efficient. And we're being accurate. That means we're getting the right answer each time because we're practicing. Please don't use a timer. Please don't think that fluency is about speed. But practicing is going to help you be a more fluent mathematician. Best of luck, guys. Have fun with your math this week.